So you are trying to log in to your Facebook account, and while typing your phone number and email ID, your account is not logging in, and now you have realized that your account is hacked. So in this video I will teach you how you can recover your hacked Facebook account. So please stay till the end. I will teach you step by step how you can fix the problem. So first we need to close Facebook, and then we need to open browser, any browser. So if you are using iPhone, you can use Safari, but I am using Chrome as I am using Android right now. And after opening Chrome, search Facebook account support chat. So this is it. Type this. So after entering this keyword, you will find the first result. So Facebook help center, you need to select the first result, and you will be redirected to this page. Now from here you will need to select these three lines. Tap here, and now you need to tap this option called managing your account. Tap here, and then you need to tap this option called login and password, and from here you need to tap this option in that first, second, third option which says fix a login problem. And from here, as you can see, this is the login help support, and this is the password help support. So from the password we need to scroll down and search this option called recover your account if you can't access the email ID or phone number on the account. So most of you who are watching this video, I'm hoping that you have lost access to both of the addresses, email ID or phone number. Just tap here once and scroll down, and from the other outful resources, from this you need to select this first result, login troubleshooting tips. Tap here. Now you will be redirected to this page. So now from here you need to scroll down, and from here you need to select this link, and make sure that this option might be different for different users, because this depends on your location and your device you are using. So in my case it's saying like this. In your case it might be a bit different. It might be like recover your account if you haven't trouble. So don't get confused. So yeah, you will get it. Tap this, and from here you will be redirected to this page. Just scroll down and you will find this option. If you think that your account was taken over by someone else, let us know. Just tap this option. So from here you need to choose this option. Tap here. If you think that your Facebook account was hacked or someone else is using it, so tap here and get started. Now this AI will ask you some questions. Just read it. So from here, someone else gain access to my account, and from here, no, I can't log in. Now from here, no, I don't have access to the phone number, and scroll down. So let's wait, it's loading. Let's wait. So at the end you will get this link. So you need to tap this link, and then you will be redirected to this page. Now it asks you to enter your phone number, but if you don't have your phone number, you can search by your email address or name instead. I'm going to choose this option. So just type your name. For my case, it's let me type the name, search. So this is the account I'm trying to recover. So if you don't find your account, then don't worry, you can try it again and again. But for me, this is the account. Tap here, and it says type the password. So my account is hacked. How can I type a password? So for that, try another way. And now I don't have access to any of this, so no longer has access to this. And now as you can see, it says I have lost access to my login details. Now you will ask a verification, so it will start a verification. It will verify your face with your face. So after you type a new email, Facebook will start verifying your face. So it will scan your face. The selfie camera might turn on, and you will have to provide a video for Facebook, and then they will match the photo on your profile, and according to that your account will be recovered. This process is a 50-50 chance. So if you are lucky, if you have a proper profile picture on your account, then I'm pretty sure you will your account will be recovered.